A new tornado warning has been issued.
Additionally, we've got a warning now in Iowa and South Dakota. We just talked about some of these places. This one, a little bit more in the precautionary realm. A little bit of rotation here, likely capable of producing a tornado. But just in case, let's get to our safe spot in Canton, South Dakota, and Larchwood, Iowa. Okay, just get to your safe spot. Bring me with you. We'll tell you when it's time to come out, okay? Storm down here near Weatherford, Oklahoma continues to look more and more intense. We've got a tornado warning for Custer City. Take shelter. Our big time supercell with the massive rotating thing on it continues to get more massive and it continues to rotate more. However, that rotation is very broad and it's not currently looking as I guess immediately concerning as it was. Now, it looks quite a bit more concerning just in terms of a severe thunderstorm, but the tornado threat, there needs to be a little bit more of a tighter rotation, I think, here before the tornado threat is as high as it was not too long ago. But it's still there. The supercell's still there. It's, Perry, places just west of Perry, Oklahoma. Take shelter now. Go ahead, Andy. Or Elijah, sorry.